People, what every motorist in Jamaica want right now, every motorist in Jamaica right now want more time. So guess what, Mr. Oles? Give me more time, give me more time. If you pay the ticket them, cause it's such a big fine. Give me more time, give me more time. Government are going like the roast crime. Give me more time, give me more time. We pay a legal ticket and now get back a dime. Give me more time, give me more time. I won't cause the crime for you, right?
Me I come from we are Oi. We not get no ticket. Me I come from St. Catherine side. We not get no ticket or no. We reach a downtown, we join a line, more people cut the line. I can chaka and it's a go on. We need a little more time. We could go to the tax office the same time we come here, so the government give it now. Go to the tax office, pay it off, normal. This not ready. Chaos them something here. Chaos. I have all the elderly people. Right now I have something for me. When I'm elder them, if you do, and I can't get to do it. So I say I have to go to Mobile, go away. I have to go to Mobile for 500 ticket.
Well, I've been here for almost 3 to 4 hours now. We join the line from half of the road. The line starts from about 3 or 4 blocks. And we're in the line for almost 3 hours. And when you almost reach at the front, it's either a favorism thing or that. But you have business people in the line. Don't mind my face, I'm a taxi operator. But you have business people, you have nurses, doctors, lawyers in the line. And you have people just come and just cut the line and go in like some favorism. What kind of style that? It's not a good thing that because people have business to go and everything. People will come with one ticket after they wait for 4 hours. That don't make sense. You say you want do the thing more official now, more properly now. And this is what I talk about long time, just give you a little amnesty.